Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. I am Sayyid Ali from grade 7.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Shihabur Rahman from grade 7.
So today we are going to do an activity to demonstrate an experiment on deposition of copper on iron. When copper sulfate solution mixes with iron,
It gives rise to iron sulfate solution, which is green, and copper deposition on lead.
for this we need a beaker, a blade and a dropper.
We are using copper sulfate solution and hydrochloric acid.
We are pouring copper sulfate in this. We are adding hydrochloric acid in this.
We are adding a blade in it, and we'll wait for 5 minutes.
After 5 minutes, the solution has been turned to green and it has become an iron sulfate solution.
The copper has been deposited to the iron.
Jazakallahu khair.